Laundry Day gets a sustainable upgrade with zero electricity washing machines, typically made from simple components like barrels, paddles, and gears that use manual rotation to wash clothes efficiently. Popularized by innovations like the Giradora pedal-powered washer, these machines reduce water usage and eliminate energy costs, benefiting rural households and eco-conscious urban consumers alike. Though labor-intensive, users appreciate the savings and environmental benefits, showcasing how low-tech solutions can solve high-impact problems effectively. A world grappling with climate change might learn a lesson from these humble spin cycles. Less tech sometimes means more progress towards sustainability and resource efficiency. These machines demonstrate that innovation doesn't always require advanced technology. Sometimes, simplicity and ingenuity lead to transformative solutions for everyday challenges.